Friction. Friction is that force which opposes impending or actual relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It is the component of the contact force along the common tangent to the surface in contact. So we can say friction is a force of resistance because it opposes the motion of an object when object is in a rest or in a motion. Friction always works in the opposite direction of the motion of object. Static friction. The frictional forces acting between the surfaces at the rest with respect to each other are called forces of static friction. It is found experimentally that limiting value of static friction, that is small fs, is independent of maximum the area of contact and varies with the normal force capital N approximately as Fs max is equals to mu s n, where mu s is a constant of proportionality depending only on the nature of the surface in contact. The constant mu s is called the coefficient of static friction. The law of static friction may be written as Fs is less than equals to mu n. Kinetic friction. Frictional force that opposes relative motion between surfaces in contact is called kinetic or sliding friction and is denoted by small fk. Kinetic friction, like static friction, is found to be independent of the area of contact. Further, it is nearly independent of the velocity. It satisfies a law similar to that for static friction. Fk is equals to mu kn. It is found experimentally that mu k is less than mu s. Rolling friction. The force that resists the motion of a body rolling on a surface is called the rolling resistance or rolling friction. As you can see in this diagram,